in the next 3 months. Yes, that is a very tight deadline, but I'm up for the challenge. The interesting thing is there are challenges. For instance, we just had 3 recipes prepped out, and there's too much wind to be able to grill. So the food stylist is here, everybody's waiting, and we can't get the grills to work because of the wind. Not easy, but I am gonna make it happen, and I'm not gonna gain weight, and stay tuned